Good day student. In this session we will see the practical number 16, that is the develop a program to find sum of all elements stored in a given array using pointers. So let us quickly see the relevant PO of these practicals are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, lifelong learning, communication, individual and teamwork, ethics, engineering tools and experiments and practices. So relevant COs are develop flowchart and algorithm to solve problem logically, develop C program using pointers, and the practical outcomes are write, compile, execute simple C program using Turbo C and GCC compiler, and write program using array of a pointer. So to complete this practical we should have some minimum theoretical knowledge, that is a concept of control structure, understanding of variables, storage and type, declaration of pointers and assigning values to pointer variables, accessing array using pointers and pointer arithmetic. So without wasting time we will see what to do in this practical. So develop C program to find sum of all elements stored in a given array using pointers. So here first we have to declare one array and take input from the user. After that, by using the pointer we can access one by one variable value from the array and we will add all these values stored into the array, but by using pointer. So this is the program for this problem statement. So here I have included two header files, that is the stdio.h and conio.io.h. Okay, this is the not mandatory part. Now void main, he declared some variable, that is integer I and sum equal to 0, and here is the array of 10. Now integer star a is a pointer variable which will store the value of the integer, which will store the address of a integer variable. Now here this is the very important statement, a equal to address of array of 0, means what? Here a is a pointer variable and we are assigning the very first value of the array, and the address of that value is stored into the pointer a, means address of array of 0. So 0 means what? This is the very first value which is stored into the array. This is the first address. So what we do in this program, we should assign the address of first value of an array to the pointer. After that we have instruct the user that enter the size of array. Here user can enter how many numbers he want to store into the array. After that we can get the value of variable n, and by using this n we can write the for loop to take input from the user for the array. So here enter elements of the list. So suppose user have entered value 5 for the n, this for loop will execute for 5 times. Scan a %d address of array of I. So array of I is 0. Suppose user entered value 10, then this is the very first value which is stored into the array and the address of that value is stored in pointer a. Now see here, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we should add the values one by one into the sum. So sum equal to sum plus star a of I, means what now? So here star represent the value which is stored into this array, this address. Okay, so this is the nothing but the address which is I have highlighted, and the star means the value which is stored into this address. Now the first address, and it will add 1 into that address. After that I plus plus, now I become 1. When we add a plus 1 means actually how many storage bytes it required, it will add this one, means actually the value of second place. Like that we will add all these numbers which are stored into the array, and after that by using sum of all elements we should display the value of sum as a result of addition of all numbers from the array. Now we will run this program. So see here, enter the size of array. Suppose I have entered 5. Now enter elements of the list. So we should enter 5 values. Suppose I have entered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now see here, what is the output? It is a 15. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14 and 1 is 15. So this is the addition of these numbers. So what is the very important statement in this program is, first important thing is we should assign the first address of the array to the integer. This is the address of the first value and it is stored into the array, and then by using the pointer arithmetic we can add 1 into the address. So this star represent the value which is stored into this address. Suppose we will I will show here. Suppose here integer a is 10 semicolon. Now integer star ptr is the pointer, and here I have assigned address of variable a to the ptr. Now if we print the value of ptr, it is nothing but the address of variable a, just we have seen into the previous practical. So if we print the value of ptr, it is the address of variable a. But suppose I print like this, see here, printf value stored in the variable is equal to %d, and if I have written like this star ptr. So now what is this ptr means? This, see here, without this asterisk sign, this ptr is nothing but the address of variable a. But when we write star ptr means it shows the value which is stored into this address. So ptr has the address of a, and the value which is stored into that address is 10. So it will display the value 10. Okay. And suppose if you want to display the both address and value, then now see here, address of variable is, we should use the %u, that is the unsigned integer. Now here we can write comma ptr. Okay, so now this ptr shows the address of variable and this star ptr shows the value which is stored into that variable. So this is nothing but the last practical of this